Kamusta ka po? Ayos lang? You are missing me. I know you are missing me. But what to do? Everybody's so hyped up with this new game going all around the internet and the phones. It is called Pokemon. I've been playing this game and I'm trying to catch Pokemon, that one. Apshin, did you find the Pokemon? Salam, hi Shimo, everything good, everything nice. Why you're going into politics now? What are you talking about, politics? I'm not talking about politics, I'm talking about Pokemon. Yes, I found Pokemon. He is in the United Nations. Look, I will show you now. This one, no? Salam Pokemon Chu! I cannot believe you. Seriously, I cannot believe you, Apshin. I just cannot believe you. I'm talking about the game. The game is called Pokemon Go. You know this one, Pokemon Go? Or no? His name is Pokemon Go, your Pokemon Har. You know that one? Pokemon Go we get. I don't want to waste my time with you, Apshin. I'm going to go to catch the Pokemon. I want to get that Pikachu, that one, huh? Okay, don't waste my time and don't waste your time. Go catch Pokemon. If you want to go to the United Nations and catch him. Hope to Sarit.